Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have this Hyundai Veloster 2016 and in this video I'm going to show you how to change rotors, calipers and rear brake pads. So let's get started. Now I'm going to show you the spare parts that I bought from rockauto.com. Alright, so here we have the calipers and the rear Brembo brake pads. So this is the Brembo rear brake pads reference P30067N. This is ceramic brake pads from Brembo. I'm gonna leave the link down below here in the description so you can get the same spare parts that I bought. So I'm going to start by taking off this bolt. So now I'm gonna release the caliper. So I'm gonna take off this bolt and the other one right here, this one. This is a nut number 14. Make sure you're not using the parking brake. There we go. Brake pads, they have a long lifespan, but I'm going to switch it anyway because I'm going to use the Brembo ones. Alright, so I'm going to take off the caliper bracket, which is this one. I'm going to release this bolt right here, this one, and this other one right here, this one. This is a nut number 14 also. I'm also going to take off the brake pads. So I'll take off the spring, take them off. It's super stock. It seems to be welded by rust. I keep releasing the bracket. Okay, so everything came out together because as you see the brake pads are practically welded to the bracket. Alright, so right now I'm gonna take off the rotors. Now I'm gonna take off the caliper. I'm gonna release the parking brake line, which is this one. To do so, what we have to do is squish all the line down. Alright, so I'm gonna take the pliers and I'm gonna squish the line like this right here. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm gonna take off this metallic clip which keeps the line in its place. So I'm gonna take off the clip and then I'm gonna pull the line all the way to the back so I can release the line. There we go. This is the clip. So I'm gonna push the line. Get it in here. There we go. And there we go. You just release it, the parking brake line. Coming back here, once you have your new caliper, so you're going to connect the new line. Just like this. There we go. Now it's connected. And now you can take off the strap. And now I'm going to take back the pin that I took off before. I'm going to put it back in its place. Just right here. You can also use the pliers to help yourself putting back the clip. There we go. As you see here, the pin, which is this one, is all the way back in its place. And now we have installed the parking brake line in the new caliper. So I'm gonna put the caliper aside for a moment. This is the new caliper and this is the old caliper. So the old caliper is still connected to the brake fluid line. So what I'm going to do now is gonna put back the rotors, the caliper bracket, and then I'm gonna switch the line at the end, the brake fluid line. Right, so here we have the rotors. I got it in the same spare parts store in rockauto.com. This is DURAGO brand right here, as you can see. So this is the rear rotors. Just like this. Okay, so now I'm going to install the new caliper bracket, which is this one. It comes with the calipers also. So I'm going to put it in its place. There's the first one, which goes right here. And the second one, which goes right here. There we go. So now I'm gonna tight. There we go. The next one. Alright, so now I'm gonna put this metallic clips right here. This is the brake pad sliders. So there we go. Okay, it's correct. So now I'm gonna change the brake fluid line. I'm gonna put the brake fluid line into the new caliper. So I'm gonna put the old caliper just momentarily to release the brake fluid line and install it in the new caliper. I'm gonna take off the brake fluid line. This is a nut number 12. Alright, so this is the brake fluid line. Now I'm gonna take off the old caliper again. Okay, so now I'm gonna put momentarily the new one right here in place, and then I'm gonna put the brake line. Okay, so I have the brake line, and now I'm gonna put the bolt with its washer, and then I'm gonna put the other washer in the other side of the brake line, as you can see right here. Okay, then I'm gonna put it back in the caliper. So now I'm gonna tie the brake line until you feel that the cooper washers squish a little bit, and then that's enough. We're good to go. And that's it. We have the new brake fluid line to the new caliper. So now we're gonna put our brake pads. This is Brembo brake pads. How they come. Here I have the second one. I'm gonna install them then. Alright. Alright, so now I'm gonna put back the caliper. So I'm putting back the caliper in its place. Now we're gonna purge the system. This is a purge faucet. We have one person who pumps the brake and the other one who open and close the faucet. Okay, pump it. Hold it. Okay, pump it. Hold it. Pump it. Okay, hold it. Okay, we're done. That's it. Now I'm gonna put back the wheel, and that's it. We just purged the system, the brake system, for both calipers in the rear side. I hope you had enjoyed this video. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. As always, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.